Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to lock a folder on iPhone. Locking folders is a built-in feature in iPhone. This allows you to create secure folders or vaults where you can store sensitive files, photos and documents and lock them with passcode or biometric authentication. So without delaying any more further, let's just get into the video. Here, open your gallery and then search for any videos or files that you would want to lock or hide. After selecting the items, you can there see a three-dotted like icon. Tap on it and there select hide. Doing this, all your selected photos and files will be stored in a hidden album. To open this album will require your Face ID or passcode. So now the second step, if you don't want to show the hidden header on your gallery, what you have to do is go and open your settings. Scroll down and tap on photos. After that, if you have the show hidden album option enabled, then gently disable it. Doing this, your header on the gallery section will be disappeared. So that's it. This is how you lock your folder or photos files in iPhone. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.